All right, welcome back. Um, yeah, market was kind of shitty today. Of course, we just fucking expanded up again, and yeah, I didn't take a fucking trade. I probably could have taken a trade, but I was looking for a short, and market just did this again for the fifth day in a row. We're gonna have 5 green, 1 week of full green candles. Ugh. Um. So yeah, I was looking for a short. I actually did take a trade at one point, and I didn't really like it. I wasn't confident in it, and I decided to just close it. So, oh, it's on my. Hold on one second. I know it's on here. So yeah, this is the trade I actually took, and and I knew it was a bad trade. I kind of rushed it. I didn't like the displacement, and I decided as soon as I went back into it went back to my entry, I decided just to close it. And yeah. So did I lose money on it? I made $62 on it. Fuck yeah. So what did I see? So we had SMT divergence. Let's just duplicate this. So NQ, I think NQ is the one that didn't take the high. Yeah, it was this high. NQ didn't take this high. This is the SMT. While ES did take that high here. And I was looking for a continuation down to this fair value gap into equilibrium, and that's just not what we got. So yeah, I zoomed in, and I was waiting for displacement through this breaker block. We got this stop hunt breaker block, and we had a nice candle of displacement. So replay mode. I saw this candle. This candle looks so clean, and I was ready to take the trade. Next candle, price just completely filled the fair value gap and left me hanging. So, uh, uh, I saw this next, and I decided to still act on the trade. This is not clean displacement. There's no fair value gap aligned with the breaker block. Um, yeah, if we zoom out, even it was the 5-minute, I think, and I saw this wick, and I was completely unconfident that we were gonna go lower. So it might have been even a 3-minute. It was just this wick, and I knew that shit wasn't gonna. I knew that shit wasn't gonna play out. So price came up, the next candle, and I decided to just close my trade right here on this candle coming down. As soon as it came to my entry, I closed the trade. Um, that was very, very good to see myself be able to do that. I knew I wasn't confident in the trade, and I decided to close it, and it was the right decision to do. See price play out. We did go lower. I saw this candle. I saw this candle in price, and I wasn't even worried that I missed this trade at all. I was not worried at any point that I missed the trade. I just thought, oh, if it hits my take profit, it hit my take profit, whatever. But then we saw price reverse, and boom, would have hit my stop loss. So I'm very happy that I took this trade off. Very, very mature. I don't know, that's not the right word, but I can see my experience with my psychology showing. And I marked out this SMT earlier in the session, and this is probably the trade that I should have taken for the day. Um, so yeah, we came down. Price came down. If we zoom out, we sweep all this liquidity. Here, let's go on ES actually. We leave these equal highs and we sweep this liquidity. NQ, pretty much the same. We had these equal highs. And then around market open, we had a breaker block form right here. Stop hunt. Stop hunt. Breaker block. Displacement through. FEG aligned. Retap in, and we push up. Test it one more time. Push up. So the entry was probably like on this one. Even on this was the trade. Targeting the equal highs. Something like that. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna look it on NQ. And the reason for this would be because we had SMT here as well. ES did not take this low. NQ did take this low. So we had SMT divergence as well. So I mean, we're probably at least going to here. At least to here. So that would probably be low-hanging fruit. I would take it on ES. Stop loss below this low. Final take profit. See, I mean, this could be, hold on. So my first take profit could have been like here, even in this fair value gap maybe. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and then final take profit at these highs. That would have been a nice trade. But I mean, I'm totally okay not taking a trade for today. Yeah, I think that's about all. Oh, right now we're having SMT. NQ does not take this high yet. Well, yes. Did take this high. And I saw a breaker block forming, and there could be a trade here, but it's just too late in the session to see enough volatility for this to play out. But we get a breaker block, displace through it again, price retest it again, so draw out this as well, standard deviation. So I would be targeting equilibrium of this leg. Equilibrium. Trade. After this candle, I would put the trade on. Stop loss, could put it above here, or just above here. And we're targeting equilibrium. Yeah, just something like that. And then have some runners to these equal lows that I was targeting to start the day. And yeah, so I think that's about all for this aftermarket review. Again, didn't take a trade today, so this week I took one trade. One trade this week, made 2 bands, so I'm up 4%, almost 4%, 3.6% on the account for 2 weeks, I think. Maybe it was 3 weeks. But yeah, just building more conviction in the strategy, more confidence in my ability to trade, and I'm going to be doing paper trading for about another month. I've set till September 16th is when I'll be if I'm able to be consistent on paper trading for another month, on September 16th, I'll buy a funded challenge, and hopefully I can pass that and then get a payout. And yeah, right now my goal is for in 3 months to be a funded trader. So yeah, I'll make a video later going over my goals for trading, and yeah, I'll talk about that later. So that's all for this one. Peace.